Hi everyone, my name is Anna Maria and I'm one of the teachers from KSG Learning Center. Today we're going to learn about conjunctions. What is a conjunction? The first we need to know the definition. Words that connect other words or group of words in a sentence are called conjunctions. And we have some examples here. Gulls and puffins are sea birds. They swim and dive well. In this sentence, and it is a conjunction. Conjunctions continued. Let's see. Conjunction can always connect other words in a sentence. And you have different ones. But, and, that we've seen before, and or. Some walked quickly, but quietly. Coordinating conjunctions. You can remember fanboys in order to identify the conjunction in a sentence. You have the acronym here, which helps you to remember really easy the types of conjunctions, and you have them here. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Just pay attention. Never make the mistake of confusing the preposition with the conjunction. Common conjunctions. You have and, but, and or. These are the ones that you are going to find them more usual than the other ones. You have use, joins together an addition, shows contrast and shows positive choice, and we have swans and penguins swim. Swans live on ponds but penguins do not. Penguins slide over water. You have also for, nor, yet, and so. They use for to show reason, to show negative choice, to show contrast, to show results. And as example for we have I wear my blue dress for everyone was dressing up. You have two types of conjunctions. The first ones, they are the coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. What means subordinating conjunctions? Sometimes the ideas in two separate sentences are related. So you combine these sentences by using a special conjunction, and it's called a subordinating conjunction. The subordinating will help to show the relationship between these two sentences. And you have here, also known as AUBIS words, you have after, although, as, when, while, until, because, before, if, and since. If the sentence begins with a subordinated conjunction, you must have a comma after the clause. This is really important, you need to remember that. However, when the subordinated conjunction is in the middle of the sentence, there is no comma. And you have here after, although, as, when, while, that we just enumerated before. The use is following, even though, in comparison with, at that time, at the same time. And one example we're going to do for after. After we eat, we will. After we eat, we will go, and we will go to watch a movie. I hope you enjoyed the lesson for today. Have a lovely day.